In this video, I'd like to introduce PH232 T485Y12 and tell you how you can use this product. This product is a bidirectional RS232 to two RS485 and RS422 converter. Some of the important features of this product that categorized it in industrial class is the protection against electrical shocks and electromagnetic noises. It also has 3 kV optical and electrical insulation, which has a great effect on eliminating noises like electromagnetic noise, which are coming from contacts changing in electromotors or ESD voltages, such as surge or lightning. This is the product packaging. I open it. The content is including a PH232 T485Y12 that I take out of the plastic cover. In one side it has RS232 DC port with 9-pin DB9 female connector. At the other side it has an adapter jack, the power input of the device, which is connected to the power supply. Also note that this device can work with any DC voltage from 8 to 48 volts. So you can use any available DC industrial power supply in your project, for example 24 volt DC. It also includes two RS485 and RS422 ports with 9-pin DB9 male connector. Furthermore, we have a quick start guide, a DB9 cable, a 12 volt AC to DC adapter, 2 DIN rail brackets, which the device can be installed on the rail by the means of them, 2 DB9 female connectors, and a CD, which includes the user guide and data sheet. The device setup is easy. This device supports all RS485 network topologies such as point-to-point and multi-point. It also supports point-to-point and multi-drop in RS422 mode. To configure the device, connect the RS232 port to the computer using a standard male to female cable. One of these cables is provided with the product. Then open a serial port test software such as Microsoft Hyperterminal. A copy of it is in the product CD in the utility folder with the settings 96008N1. Turn on the device. As you see, when the device is turned on, it is possible to change the device setting. To change settings, enter number 1. In this section, you can change Baud-Rate, data length, parity, and stop bit. After making the changes, enter number 5 to save the settings. Then continue working with the device. As you know, the RS485 standard consists of a pair of differential signals. To use the RS485 section, make the necessary connection according to the diagram. When you send data from the master, the slave receives it. And when the slave sends data, the master receives it. This communication is half-duplex. To use the RS422 section, make the necessary connection according to the diagram. When you send data from the master, the slave receives it. And when a slave sends data, the master receives it. This communication is full duplex. The point that I want to make at the end is that this converter has an end-of-line or termination resistor, which is a 120 ohm inside them, and you don't need to add these resistors. Finally, feel free to contact us via email support@IPElectronix.com or WhatsApp number and ask your technical question. Thank you for watching this video.